In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the frother on the Ninja Luxe Café. So we just got done making our espresso shot, and now we want to take our Chobani creamer and put it in to be frothed. So first step is gonna be removing the mug. And this mug has a few different lines. On one side it says cappuccino and latte. On the other it says min and max. I typically fill this to the min, and you'll see why in a second. So fill that roughly to the min line, and then we're gonna put that back on there just like that. And then now we are ready to froth. So simply you turn this dial to choose your froth amount, and all the way left is like the consistency closest to what it is when you pour it in, and as you move across this, it's going to get thicker and thicker. So I usually leave mine in the middle, and then you press this button to change your two different froth types, dairy or plant-based. I usually just leave it on dairy, and then you press go. And while this is frothing, it's going to show a loading bar. See how it's growing in there? Just finished. Now that the frother is complete, we are ready to make our latte. So step one, we're just gonna pour that espresso shot in there, and then we are ready to pour all of that frothed cream in there. And then you can take some Ghirardelli caramel and just drizzle some over that. You're good to go. One thing to note is once you get done pulling that out, you want to take a wet napkin and just clean it off. And then once you've wiped this off, you can just press it down in there, and it's going to automatically purge and clean itself into a little drip pan down there. And it even shows that as a loading process. It's done. Let's see how this tastes. Delicious.